Seagulls are fascinating and highly adaptable birds, often found near coastlines, but they also thrive in various habitats worldwide. There are over 50 recognized species, with well-known types including the herring gull, laughing gull, and western gull. Gulls are part of the order Charadriiformes, which also includes sandpipers, plovers, and other shorebirds. Normally typically range from 11 to 30 inches in length, with wingspans of 30 to 63 inches, depending on the species. They are predominantly white or gray with black or brown wingtips and markings. Juveniles are often brown or mottled. There are strong, slightly hooked beak, color and shape vary between species. Legs, webbed feet, which make them efficient swimmers.